In the UK, Easter isn't always what people expect. For many people, it's not really a religious celebration. It's more about a long weekend, family time, and a lot of chocolate. So if you're new here, it can be a little surprising. Today, I'll show you what Easter really looks like in the UK and what people actually say. Good morning! What are your favorite night spots? It's almost time for my appointment. Can I walk there or should I take a bus? Hi everyone and welcome to Just Saying. From my experience living in the UK, people don't talk about religion that much at Easter. They talk about plans. So you'll often hear, any plans for the long weekend? Or we are going away for Easter. Or we're just staying home and relaxing. In the UK, Easter usually comes with something called bank holiday. A bank holiday is a public holiday, a day when most people don't work. At Easter, we usually get two bank holidays, Good Friday and Easter Monday. Ahead of that long weekend, people might say, remember it's bank holiday on Friday and Monday. The shops might be closed. Make sure you stock up before the weekend. To stock up means to get everything you need in advance. So imagine this. You walk into the British supermarket before Easter and suddenly you see shelves full of eggs, but not normal eggs, chocolate eggs. You might be thinking, why are there so many? Do people actually eat all of this? And the answer is yes, they do. In the UK, people buy chocolate Easter eggs as gifts, especially for kids, but also for adults. So you might hear things like, have you bought your Easter eggs yet? Not yet, I'll get them later. These are on offer, 3 for 2. On offer means they are discounted or it's a special price. People who have children might also talk about going to or organizing Easter egg hunts. That's when adults hide chocolate eggs around and let children find them later. So you might hear people ask, are you taking the kids to Easter egg hunt this year? Another very British thing at Easter is hot cross buns. These are sweet buns with dried fruit and a cross on top. You'll see them everywhere that time of year. You might say, I love hot cross buns toasted with butter. So in the UK, Easter isn't just about religion or even the tradition. It's about everyday life, simple plans, enjoying your long weekend, and sometimes even making plans to go on holiday during Easter. And now you know what to expect and what to say. Tell me in the comments, what's Easter like where you live? Is it more traditional or is it like in the UK? Or perhaps it's not celebrated at all? And would you prefer chocolate eggs or real eggs this Easter? Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, please like this video and let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this one every week, and follow me on social media for more tips on speaking fluent English. Bye!